here we've got a 1100 Kubota. It has, it is 4-wheel drive. But guys and gals, I'm going to tell you that that the motor is bad. They said it had a scorned cylinder in it. Okay, I don't know if it even, I doubt it. I didn't even try to start it, but they said the motor is bad. It needs a new motor. If you can do that work yourself. It has the sliding windows. This thing's pretty late model. It is 4-wheel drive. A company owned it, and they said, we're just not spending any money. They went out and bought a new one. It's pretty clean inside. As you can see, we just brought it off the truck like this. It should have AC in the cab. I can't tell you much else about it, but it is clean. It's not all corroded up. I would say they took pretty darn good care of it. I think we'll have the year of it. The bed size is 54 inches by, this is outside dimensions, by 49 inches. This door is not latching. There's something wrong with this latch. I think actually, I know what it is. The latch is missing. Off here, it's good in the door, but the latch piece is gone. But as you can see, it's pretty darn clean. It actually even has a radio in it. A lot of these didn't have that. This thing's very straight. It's got good sheet metal on it. You can see the grill hadn't been beat up. They used it mainly to transport guys back and forth when they were back off a road. It does have really good tires. I think they said they put those tires on there last year. So, you know, it's been well maintained. I think when the dealer told them, hey, it needs a motor, they just said, hey, we got to have something now. And they sold it, and it's going to sell absolute on Tractor House Auction. All right, so I told you this thing had a bad motor, but it does start and run with the jumper. They've had it setting. We're going to just show you. Try the hydraulic dump too. We got a hydraulic dump. But don't be fooled. It does. I'm telling you, to have a bad motor. Okay. The way we bought it, although it doesn't seem real bad right now. Check all the gears, let's see how that Still needs a latch on the right door. You can see it's smoking just a little bit. I would imagine as it gets hot that it probably, but guys, it runs. That looks like it'll drive on your truck. You got the book in the cab there. There seems to be blowing. Oh, how's the radio work?
734.1.
Yeah.
Yeah, they bought a new door shock for it. But guys, I want you to buy it, not with confidence. I want you to buy it still saying that it needs a motor. I think if you got it all hot and you were out doing something, they said there's a place in the motor that's scorned. I don't know, but it sure started good and it sure sounds good, and it's not. Bellowing out smoke or anything either.